Well, greetings everyone. As part of the ongoing knowledge sharing initiative at the Sleep Expo Middle East, we aim to highlight the innovative technologies that can change the sleep and the bedding industry in the region. Now, today we are here with Ms. Vesna Pavletić, the CEO and founder of Biocrystal, who will be talking to us about this trending technology and how manufacturers can benefit from it. So, welcome, Ms. Vesna, and thank you so much for taking time out for us.
Thank you for inviting me. Good afternoon, good morning.
Our pleasure. So, to start off with, can you tell us in brief about the technology that is provided by Biocrystal and what exactly prompted the company to come up with this innovation?
Yeah, well, let's start with the question how we have started up with the idea. So we have detected a lot of years before, that we have a big lack of components in bedding industry, which are not only done or made for the comfort, but the components who can enable much better well-being, or let's say much better stress relief for our sleep. We have detected that actually only the pure comfort, let's say even the best comfort, cannot enable better sleep or high quality sleep, because we need in our bed, in our sleep, much more. We don't need only a comfort, we need some sort of well-being, on mental relax, let's say stress relief. So right. We come into idea how we can enable some new component. We got idea, we can find out some new component, and we find out crystals. Because crystals are natural, we know for them for 1 million of years. I mean, they are there for 1 million of years. It is something what is here, what is existing. It's nothing strange. It's nothing mystical. It's something what we are using in our computers, chips, phones, medical equipment, everywhere. So what we have done, we have created one special, unique component in form of powder of various crystals or minerals, what word you like more, conducted together with gold and silver. And we have created one special powder which can enable much better well-being and stress relief for the people. And it can be intended for implementation in our mattress and foam and textile, in any kind of actually, not only bedding product, in actually any product. But how it works? So Biocrystal, I said, we have a lack of stress, and we have created a mixture form of powder which can enable better well-being. It enables much better stress relief in our body. It helps us to be much more relaxed, to be more to have much better breath rate, to have much lower heart rate. So all the actually benefits and which show us we are under much lower of stress. Of course, whatever we are saying, everything what I'm saying is scientifically and clinically proven, not just by institutes, but by famous institutes, doctors, athletes, famous actors. Even if you know famous actor Naomi Watts, for example, she's using now eye mask with Biocrystal.
Oh, that's
all together in one, we have created something what is really, really a big lack and big demand in bedding industry.
That's wonderful. I mean, in what ways does this benefit the manufacturers out here? If you could shed some light on that.
Yeah, so for the mattress manufacturers, we have really one unique and great solution, which I can say is today urgent solution, because today, as said again, the people are really under big and huge stress. The mattress manufacturer can really cost effective and very easy and very fast implement Biocrystal powder in a lot of ways. What they are getting? They're getting completely new product. So with the comfort, they're getting also well-being and stress relief effect with very fast and again cost-effective way. Let's say one small ad with one huge effect. Yeah. In short.
Of course, you were telling us about the kind of impact that these crystals have, but what kind of impact do they have on the raw materials per se? And is this something that is used only in mattresses, or can someone use it in other products or even materials?
Yeah, so we are working for a lot of years with a lot of manufacturers in a lot of continents. We are working from Brazil, India, China, Europe, everywhere. We are working with the foam manufacturers, textile manufacturer, mattress manufacturer, and so on and so on. Until now, we have found a lot of new ways how you can implement. So we have few of them, which I will tell you now. We can implement in the textile with the coating method and with the printing method. So far we know for that. Then we can implement it into a foam with a foaming method directly to the polyol, or we can apply it as a sprinkling method directly to the mattress, which is, for example, very simple method for some manufacturers who don't want to have to get bigger effort with the foam manufacturing and so on and so on. So we have actually solution for everybody. That was our intention. For small manufacturer, for big manufacturer, for foam manufacturer, whoever want to implement it in their job, in their business, they can implement it.
And it doesn't reduce the longevity of the material, or it doesn't impact the material in any way?
No, till now, whatever we have done with the foam or with the textile, even we have done prototypes with the shoe insoles, with the belts, carpets. The people have different kind of ideas. Till now, we don't have any problem with implementation everywhere. It is just about how the company will make lab trials and how creative they will be actually. So we support our clients with all kind of information regarding our technology. So in which temperature you have to do it, in which ratio you have to add it, because it's special ratio, of course, which you have to add, and so on and so on. And manufacturer have to make actually their own trials how to do it.
That's quite interesting. So how does one really go about incorporating these crystals into the material or into the product?
How to be, sorry, again?
So in what way, so in what way can we incorporate the crystal inside the product?
For example, this is what I've told you now. This is like, for example, in foaming, the big foam manufacturer, they're applying directly to the polyol, for example. In mattress manufacturing, who want directly to apply, they're doing as a sprinkling method. They're just spreading the crystals over between two layers, because it's not important which layer of mattress you have the Biocrystal. And then in textile manufacturing, they are making like coating and printing method. That each supplier, our client, we are supplying, of course, with all the documentation, technical data support, MSDS, anti-radiation report, and so on and so on. So each of our clients can be sure that we will get everything what he needs for production.
And finally, Ms. Vesna, we've seen the sleep industry change so much especially during the pandemic this year. But what are your thoughts on it? How have you seen it evolve over this last 1 year?
Yeah, I can say that till now we had stress as a huge problem. But now today in this pandemic times, I think stress will be after the COVID, the second worldwide problem. So this is something urgent what we have to resolve. Today, we have this problem that manufacturer worldwide doesn't see yet stress as a real problem to resolve. There are not any kind of real products against stress in the world, which actually wonders me, why is this happening? And here comes Biocrystal as really, really one valuable solution, because Biocrystal with one simple and very cost-effective ad can help manufacturer to increase well-being by the people. Today, mattress manufacturer have a huge problem how to be step forward in this huge pandemic situation now, and we are helping them to make this step forward. I mean, it doesn't have to be it is any kind of stress relief. What you add to the product is good. Of course, we would like to be Biocrystal, but again, we have to be one step forward and help to our consumers to resolve something what is today, let's say, the biggest need of today's century. Let's say we as humanity, we are really have in front of us huge challenge.
I think you couldn't have said.
I think one of the biggest till now.
I think you couldn't have said it any better. So thank you so much, Ms. Vesna, for giving us this insight into this interesting technology. And if you, as viewers, have any questions or you want more information regarding this technology, do leave a comment in the section below. And if you do like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, and share, and do follow us, as we will be bringing in more such interesting technologies in the coming months.